In this video, I'll show you how to set up recurring payments in Stripe without subscriptions. First, sign into your Stripe account and open the Stripe dashboard. Next, go to the billing section and select invoices. Instead of creating a subscription, you'll use recurring invoices to bill customers on a regular schedule. After that, create a customer if you haven't already. Enter the customer's name, email address, and payment information if available. Now, create an invoice and add the products or services you want to charge for. Then configure the invoice to be sent on a recurring schedule. Next, make sure the customer has a payment method saved so Stripe can automatically collect payment when each invoice is generated. After that, review the invoice settings, billing frequency, and payment collection options. Save your changes and activate the recurring invoice schedule. Now, test the setup to make sure invoices are being generated and payments can be collected successfully. Finally, monitor your invoices and payments from the Stripe dashboard and make adjustments whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up recurring payments in Stripe without subscriptions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.